Good morning, team. Happy Wednesday. I hope you have a great day today because the morning is really clear. Weather is so nice in New Zealand. So today, my message for all of you is this. This too shall pass. So this too shall pass. So just like what I told you, the weather today is so clear, but you'll never know. In the afternoon, the weather will change into a very cloudy one or rainy one, especially in New Zealand. Things will change, especially the weather, so quickly. So same in our life and in our business. Always remember that everything will not stay. Everything will change. Sometimes you feel like you are winning today. You have a good bonus, you have a good renewal, but always tell yourself, this too shall pass. But you have to celebrate. You have a good renewal, you have a good bonus, you have a good advance. You have to celebrate. I used to buy ice cream, healthy foods for my family every time I celebrate. I'm trying to let them go to a very expensive restaurant to eat. Most of the time we go to a nice movie to celebrate. But I know in my mind I will never stop working, because I always put that in my mind. This too shall pass. Same thing when I was struggling at the early stage of my career in this industry. There are times where I get so lazy, forgot to book more appointments in a week, and then at the end of the week, Friday, less money in my bank account. And I tell myself, this too shall pass. And then the following week, that's the time I make a lot of phone calls, book a lot of appointments, and then guess what? The following week, it'll be nice advance again. And that's why, this journey is really good, because the longer you stay here, the more better future you can have, especially if you work hard during those first 10 years. The good thing is, sky is the limit. That's why it's called opportunity unlimited. So if you are, like, as of now, feeling like how certain it will be in the next 10 years that I'll be having a good future, a good renewal, well, it's just basically like planting a high valued crop. Most of you know what's a high valued crop, right? Example, rubber tree. Some of you who don't know, or who did not even see what is a rubber tree. A rubber tree is the tree that will produce latex that will be processed into different rubberized products like tires, basketball things that are coated with rubber. So anything that is rubber. So with the farmers of these trees planted that high valued crop, in the first 5 years they don't get anything, they don't produce any latex. But the moment it produces latex, it will be for a lifetime. The farmer, the owner of that land, will not have to worry about money, because daily they're gonna harvest. So what if given a chance, you'll have a 1,000 hectares of land. And all you need to do is plant rubber. And after that, every time you'll plant that tree, company will pay you. But the good thing, after 10 years, even if you stop working, you'll have a share of the harvest of that rubber. Now the question is, how many rubber trees did you planted on that 10 years? So the share that you can receive after 10 years will be based on number of trees that you planted during those years. If you plant thousands of seedlings, then granted are tens of thousands of dollars you will receive monthly. But if you only planted few hundreds, then there's no guarantee to have that huge share. But at least you will have some. So I just use that metaphor to imagine your life with AIL after 10 years. Well, that renewal will start coming around 2 years. So just work hard. And then once you reach 2 years, and then you can see, wow, I can't believe it. It's happening. So, yeah, it's possible. Okay? I want you to be excited, just like me, when I imagine that kind of money coming into my bank account monthly. And then when I reach 2 years, because I worked so hard in my first 2 years, and I can't believe my first renewal was so huge that I cannot even realize it's possible. I thought I was just dreaming. From that moment on, I keep on working hard. I train my people to work hard. So all this blessing now are the results of those kind of things. But again, I always keep telling myself, this too shall pass. Think your day like this is the last day of your life. What kind of legacy you are going to leave to your family? What kind of future you are going to leave to your daughter, your son, to your grandkids? It's possible in here. So let's go. Let's make this year 2026 the best. And it will start today, this week. I believe in you all. You just have to believe in yourself. God bless. Bye-bye.